Nice. That is a really interesting oak. J-perm, but with a sledgehammer at the end. Very TPS spammy algorithm. Kind of like that, actually. It's a lot of moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. No wonder nobody uses it. 16 moves for an OLL. So it's very TPS spammy, very easy to execute. Solve. Very bad. H perm execution. Driving back from Milwaukee. I wonder why he was staying. Okay, dang it. Dang it. No, I don't want to start. Okay. I bet he didn't post the PowerPoint. Ha 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 ha. He didn't post it! And of course he didn't post it. Of course he didn't. Oh yeah, last time I asked him to open up the quizzes, and he didn't. Of course he didn't. Wait, these were the same quizzes I was asking for, right? No, that must have been last semester. Wait, no. Wasn't it this semester that there were a couple of quizzes that I wanted to study but I couldn't? Homework Chapter 2 is not a quiz. It kind of is a quiz, honestly. This looks like a quiz. Quiz. Can we access every quiz? And you get more attempts. This could be all a waste of time because this stuff might not be on the test, which is the freaking reason why I wanted him to give us better study guide. Because I don't want to waste my time. That's why. And of course we can't access the midterm exam. That's the one thing we do need to access. Okay, I'm totally emailing him now. I have to have access to this. How the heck can't we access this? Why? Wait a minute. Oh yeah, last semester there was only one way to access the exam, which was with Respondus. Okay. I am going to email because I need access to the midterm exam. This happened to me last semester, I think. I was like, I would like to access the previous tests. This one hasn't been graded yet. Fun. What was even this quiz? Quiz Chapter 8. Let's see. This one has not been graded. Funny. Both of my plans are out the window already. My one plan was to look at the PowerPoint for business valuation. He didn't post it. My other plan was to study the previous exam. Oh, I can't do that either. Fun! Calculate gross margin, gross profit margin, net profit margin, total assets turnover, return on investment, return on total equity, return on common equity. That's hilarious. He didn't grade that assignment yet. That would have helped me study for the test if he graded that. Nice. Our last quiz was over Chapter 8, so nothing from Chapter 9, 10. We have this part of the take-home exam. We have this one, which is closed. We need midterm exam to be open. I need this to be open. That's what I'm going to ask. And also I'm going to ask him to post the PowerPoint for the business valuation. Time to do it in a freaking video. Is there anything else I would like to ask? I don't know. What am I going to do while I'm waiting? Study the quizzes? I guess that's what I'm going to do. I don't know if it's even going to help me for this final. quiz 1. Current ratio of 3.5. Acid test ratio of 2.8. I can answer that. Because I know what current ratio is. I know what the acid test ratio, our textbook definition is cash plus marketable securities plus accounts receivable divided by current liabilities, right? Like studying the ratios on the list of ratios might be like the best way to go in terms of studying for this test. Where's the textbook? Where did I put my textbook? Oh. There's a lot of ratios, but it'd be nice if you just listed the ones that are going to be on the test. But basically, current ratio is current assets over current liabilities. Asset test is cash equivalents plus marketable securities plus net receivables over current liabilities. So basically use algebra to solve for your current liabilities. That's what we had to do for that question. That was fun. What about this one? What is the asset test ratio? The reason I got that wrong is because I included prepaid expenses when I didn't know I was supposed to, because we never covered that, as far as I can remember. We never covered that. Sorry. We never covered that until after this quiz. Okay, what's working capital? Working capital is current assets minus current liabilities. What is the average sale period or days in inventory? Well, guess freaking what? Guess freaking what? This question is asking for I'm going to look at the ratios at the end of the book. So weirdly enough, a lot of these ratios we didn't even go over. So it was mostly just the investor analysis. Wait just a minute. Oh, investor analysis includes cash flow ratios? Are you serious? That's bullcrap. Wait, no. Yes. Okay. So what we're calculating is the average sale period or days in inventory. Well, actually, it's not days sales in inventory because you told us to calculate the average inventory. The textbook doesn't use average inventory. It uses average inventory for the inventory turnover in days formula. So screw you. What is the average collection period? Again, you're doing this. Yeah, I know what to do. I just have to study the ratio. Study a ratio. Like, a lot of these are just coming down to study the ratio, okay? That's simple. Just memorize the ratio. What is this one? Earnings per share. Guess what, folks? Guess freaking what? I hate that he asked us a question about earnings per share when the chapter that covered it was chapter 9. What the actual crap are you doing, dude? What are you doing? But he did talk about it in class, so I guess whatever. Earnings per share would be at the end of this book. So earnings per share is net income minus preferred dividends divided by the weighted average number of common shares outstanding. Okay, confusing question because they didn't give you the number of shares outstanding. So you have to figure out that based on the information. So you use the amount of total common stock, which is 360,000, and divide by the price per share, the par value. So what you do is 360,000 divide by 4. So there are 90,000 shares. So what you do is 21 for 100. Divided by 90,000. And you get C 0.27 per share. Yep, I know how to do that. What is a liquidity ratio? A liquidity ratio measures the short-term ability of a company to pay its maturing obligations and to meet unexpected needs for cash. Okay, we're done with quiz 1. Homework of chapter 2 and 3, apparently. Okay, what are we going? What is the book value of the equipment after 3 years? Okay, what do we do? Methods of depreciation. Wait. What was it about? Average value of 3,000. Okay, so 25,000 divided by 5 is 5,000, so 5,000 times 3 is 15,000, 28 minus 15 is 13. Wow, that was fast. That literally took like 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Gonna stop. About 2 hours from now, which is about 11:15. Wait, did I mess up the math? I think I messed up the math. Stupid idiot. So about 11:15 is when I'm going to be stopping. Man. Okay, what is the equity in 2016? 13213. Like, why can't all the questions be this simple? Just use the accounting equation of total of assets equals liabilities plus stockholders' equity. That's all you have to know for this class is that accounting equation. Once you know that, you're good to go. Reports. What is the retained earnings balance at the start of 2016? So the current retained earnings X plus I don't freaking care. 27,377 is the ending retained earnings. There were dividends. So you add them. Do the opposite of what you would think. And then they actually lost 67 million, so add that back. And that's the answer. 29,246. Which of these items will be reported in the income statement? It is income statement. It is B. B, D, B, D, G, B, D, G, I. Yes. The organization that has by federal law the responsibility to adopt auditing standards. I loved this question. The organization that has by federal law the responsibility to adopt auditing standards is the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. Wow. What the heck? It gave you so much irrelevant information. It says the end of the year, there was total assets of this, and shareholders' equity was this. So all of the previous information was completely irrelevant. All you have to do is 300 minus 135. And you get 165. Why did they give you so much irrelevant information? Come on, stupid trick questions. Come on. The current asset section of the balance sheet should include work in process inventory. If a parent has some control over a subsidiary, but the subsidiary is not consolidated, the subsidiary is accounted for as an investment. I don't know why I got that wrong, man. Stupid idiot. Not a proper use of notes is to correct an improper financial statement presentation. Not proper. Oh, come on, you idiot. Idiot. Okay, has issued redeemable preferred stock. For analysis, these are best classified as long-term debt. Okay, what is not true relating to treasury stock? Okay, treasury stock. Treasury stock is actually a decrease, not an increase. It lowers stock outstanding, may be recorded at the cost of stock. It may be recorded at the par or stated value. Okay. And then this question. Right. When a company discontinues and disposes of a component segment of its operations, the gain or loss from disposal should be reported as a special item after continuing operations and before extraordinary items. The results of operations of this discontinued segment will be reported in conjunction with the gain or loss on disposal. Really? It's actually called non-controlling interest clergy. Which of the following will not affect retained earnings? Payment of a cash dividend previously disclosed. Okay. Ooh, you got this wrong. Let's see. Is this one of the questions I had no idea why I got it wrong? Oh, yeah. Did he ever go over this one? Yeah, I still have no clue why I got this wrong. My God. I think maybe I now understand, though. Hold on a second. No, I shouldn't have gotten it wrong because... Wait just a minute. Par value of your common stock should be 5 million, so the additional paid in capital is also 5 million, so that means you have 10 million stock. Wait, 10 million in common stock, right? Is that the mistake I made? Okay, there's a stock dividend, 10% stock dividend. Let me see. Let's see what they say for this. I don't even remember what chapter this is. Stock dividends? Well, since it affects retained earnings, that should be the balance sheet chapter. So where's the part that talks about this? Where's stock split? Where is it? Stock dividend. Where is stock dividend? Where the heck is it? Chapter 4? Ugh. Dang it, dude. It's so unintuitive. You would think this would be chapter 3, but it's chapter 4? This is a part of the balance sheet. Why would this freaking be in chapter 4? This is the income statement. This is an account on the balance sheet. Why are they talking about retained earnings in chapter 4, of all places? Come on. Whatever. What does it say? If you declare as 10% stock dividend, an owner holding 1,000 shares would receive an additional 100 shares. The amount removed from retained earnings and transferred to paid in capital will be multiply the par value of the stock by the number of additional shares. My God, I still didn't do it wrong. What the heck is this question? You multiply par value of the stock. It says, what is the reduction in retained earnings? Multiply the par value by the number of additional shares. There's a total of 1 million shares. What is 10% of 1 million? 0.1 times 1,000,000. There's 100,000 additional shares. Multiply the par value of the stock by the number of additional shares. The par value is 5. 5 times 100,000 is 500,000. Screw this question. Screw this question. Wait, I'm stupid. I just realized something. I'm stupid. What the heck? Why did you multiply it by 15? It says multiply the par value of the stock, not the market value. It says in the textbook to multiply it by par value, not by market value. Why? Why? I read a part of the book that says a not material stock dividend, you remove the fair market value of the stock. And if it is material, you remove the par value. What the actual crap? What is that? Well, in this particular question, you had to use the market value. God. Okay, where stupid stock splits? The only change that it causes is that it increases the number of shares of stock. It would reduce the market value in half. The only thing that changes is the number of shares and the value of the stock. Nothing else changes. Hey. Okay, this was confusing. Unusual or infrequent item disclosed separately is not disclosed in the tax. I thought we could see this. Okay. I got this wrong. Oh, I remember this. Oh, I hated this question. I'm getting sick of this. I don't want to study this anymore. I have to keep studying. I don't want to study this stuff. Okay. Total sales of this. Cost of merchandise is this. 4% of sales are going to be returned. You literally calculate gross profit and then you multiply it by 0.96. It's so weird. I thought you only multiplied the first one by 0.96, but nope. God dang it. 489,600. But I got every other multiple choice question right, other than that one. Okay, so what is the average days inventory outstanding? And guess what? LIFO reserve is irrelevant, I think. I'm going to calculate it. Average days inventory outstanding. Okay, so I love how he calls them by different names in the textbook. He calls it days inventory outstanding. And also, he uses average inventory. He uses average, whereas the book doesn't. For the exact term days sales and inventory, he doesn't use that exact term, but it's a very similar term. And it's stupid. So, well, I'm just going to do it just to be sure, because, sure about the LIFO reserve thing, because what if that's somehow relevant? But I'm pretty sure when I was taking this test, I did not think it was relevant, and I got it right, so. But still, just to be sure, average inventory is that divided by, no, you do 365 times this time divided by cost of goods sold. You do not do average cost of goods sold because it's income statement. 1517397, and the answer is 136.21. Okay, if a firm is growing and expanding its accounts receivable and inventories faster than its current operating liabilities. If a firm is growing and expanding its accounts receivable and inventories. So it's not getting money quickly enough. It's either losing money or it's not getting it quick enough. Faster than its current operating liabilities. And its cash flow from operation will be less, basically just less. So I just answered the less than net income. In a statement of cash flows, proceeds, I guess what? This was before we even covered this chapter 10, so proceeds from issuing equity instruments should be classified as inflows from financing activities. Oh man, I'm so frustrated that I asked these questions. Even though I got them wrong, I'm still frustrated. I mean, even though I got them right, I'm still frustrated by it. How much did Parker spend on inventory in 2016? He spent $655,000 plus $230,000 minus $325,000 equals $560,000. I also hated this question, but I just happened to get it right. Because this question was from chapter 8. And we hadn't covered chapter 8 yet. So god dang it. Asset turnover represents the ability to generate sales from a particular investment in assets. Because asset turnover is a profitability ratio from chapter 8, which we did not cover, which is net sales over average total assets. Which of the following might an analyst not want to eliminate from past earnings when using past earnings to forecast future earnings? Revenue from the sale of inventory. No. Sustainable earnings represent the level of earnings expected to persist in the future. You know what's hilarious? I don't think the textbook ever used the word sustainable earnings. I mean, it's self-explanatory, but still. Oh, man. So they have increasing costs of goods sold relative to sales, and they have increasing inventory turnover. Inventory turnover is when the cost of goods sold is increasing relative to average inventory. If you have an increasing inventory turnover, the number of times that you sell all of the products in a year increases, which means if you have increasing inventory turnover, you're selling products faster. But if you have increasing cost of goods sold, that means you have a lower margin. Faster moving. So, yeah. How much cash did Tokyo collect from customers in 2020? You know what's hilarious? This is a chapter 10 question again. No. 345000. The answer to the question. Oh. Okay, so they collected all 65,000 of those. They collected 345,000. Oh, but they did not collect 90,000. So subtract 90,000 and you get 320,000. Logic. But still it's from chapter 10, so why the heck did you ask that on the stinking midterm exam? I'm mad, even though I got all those questions right, I'm still mad. Because I got a bunch of other questions wrong that were similar to that, where I didn't study that thing that was asked in that question. Which of the following companies would you expect to report significant amounts of cash provided by financing activities? A yet-to-be profitable biotechnology company. What's a problem? If you have a current ratio of 6, under what circumstances would this be a problem? It's if inventories are increasing and the industry in which they operate is experiencing a recession. What is this? These questions. Oh my god. Wait, why did I write the answer as a percentage? What was my answer and what was the right answer? The right answer was 1.7. What was my answer? Did I just write it as 170%? Documents. Let's open all of them. Why the heck did I write it as a percentage? Am I stupid? I must be stupid. I must be very, very stupid. No. I'm so stupid! Why did I write EPS as a percentage? I'm so stupid. I got that one wrong, and he gave me 7 out of 8. So that means he must have given me like half credit or something. How did I get EPS wrong? Oh, you know why I got EPS wrong? That was from chapter 9! That was from chapter 9! Why not? Why the heck did I express it as... Wait, are you kidding me? What am I, stupid? Why did I express it as a percentage? It must have... Is my brain dead or something? He took off a point for expressing it as a percentage. I got the right answer, by the way. I got the right answer. 603,480 minus 85,000 divided by 3. Wait, why does it say divide by 2? I didn't do divide by 2. Oh, never mind, I did. I did the average of those two things and I got the answer. So yes, I got the right answer for this question. He just decided to take off a point because I expressed it as a percentage instead of as a number. God dang it. $14. Okay, but I can't just skip over this stuff. These are just ratios, so I should be fine. I'm not going to study this question because they're just ratios. And I was able to do it on the test just fine, except for being an idiot and expressing it as a percentage, and as a result of that, losing points. What is going on here? What is going on? I have no clue what the heck is happening right now. Okay, what's question 14? Let's see what I got. I got 4.5 out of 6. 1 is this, 3 is this. So I got 1 and 3 incorrect. That's hilarious. The answer to 1 is 1.45. I got 1 right, so why the heck did you write that? Whatever. I got 1 right. What about 2? Quick ratio. I should have gotten 2 right. He didn't write the answer to 2 because I got it right. And then 3... No, he says 30% for 2. Hello? I got 2 incorrect. What the heck? ...2004 was 0.82. 2005 was 1.07. I got this wrong. What the heck? What did I do wrong? I basically got half of 2 wrong. I will do it before noon, sure. Okay, so I need to figure out why I did this, what I got wrong here. I did 2004 correctly, and I did 2005 incorrectly. Acid test ratio for 2005. Okay, what is acid test ratio? It's cash and cash equivalents. 1,2,6,7,038 plus accounts receivable 490,816 divide by current liabilities 1,648,753. What? I'm so stupid. Let me look at my question here. I divided by 2.3 million? I'm such an idiot. Where'd I get 2.3 million? Idiot! You were supposed to do it by current liabilities, not current assets, you moron. What was I doing? I was just a stupid moron for that question. I don't have there's no excuse for that. I shouldn't have gotten that wrong. Why am I stupid? My God. Where the heck? Okay. So it went from 0.82 to 1.07. So you do 1.07 minus 0.82 divided by 0.82 equals 30%. Okay, and then the 3 was, the answer was 54.36. Nope, I answered it wrong. No, what you do, days of other financing required, which is the same thing as cash conversion cycle, which is the same thing as average net trade receivables, which is not in the textbook, and we never discussed it in class. Days in receivables is 43 So what you do is days in receivables 43.2084 plus days in inventory 59.3010 minus 45.2636, and the answer is 57.25. Why is it 54? Oh, you know what's hilarious? He rounded up. He did a ton of rounding. Okay, if you round it by just getting rid of all the decimal places, like an idiot. Nice job. If you round it to literally no decimal places, you do 43 plus 59 minus 45, and you get 57. Wait, what? Hold on a second. He got 43 plus 31 minus 38. What? Wait, A is the answer? He said the answer is 36. 36 is not even an option. What the heck is this question? What? Okay, first he says the answer is 54.36. Then he says the answer is 36. Which one is it? What are you talking about? Oh, wait, do you do 365 divided by 54.36? No, What are you doing? The answer should be 57.24 or 25 based on the numbers I had. Where the heck did he get 31 and 38? I don't think I'm even going to question it because this is just bullcrap. Like, first of all, he says this answer, then he says it's this answer. Which one is it? I calculated. I don't think I'm even going to bother trying to figure that out. I'm just going to assume that the way I did it was right. But that's... Okay, also A and B are the same answer. What are you doing? He says the answer is 36 days. 36 is not even listed here. What are you doing? What the heck? I got 57. This is the most confusing thing of all time. I really can't be bothered. I think the next question was basically the same thing. Wasn't it? Oh yeah! He confused this question and this question. This one and this one are not the same question, dude. Hello? But anyways, yeah. This one, you just do this 43 plus 31 minus 38 equals 36. 36 is the answer. I didn't get it right. Okay. And then 16. Whoa, he did it. Wait, recording available. Why is there a recording? Oh, I think the reason why is because... Wait, what? There's no class today. Why is there a recording? I hate everything. I love that recording. There's no class today. He discussed this one in the lecture. I might have to look back at that. God dang it. Oh, dang it. Ugh. Ugh. Last solve. Dang it. I have to look at the freaking... Why didn't he give me an answer on this? Why didn't he explain this? I now have to look at the final exam to look... Or not final exam, but... The freaking lecture. When was that lecture anyways? Now I have to figure that out? That's fun. So I think the only thing I want to ask, or not ask, just like what I want to know is, well, I guess I kind of do want to know about this one too, because this one's all messed up. But other than that, this one's fine. Every other question is fine. I just need to know those two specific questions. So it would have been the class right after this take-home exam. So it would have been the 27th of July, maybe? Or some whatever was after that. So it would have been this class, right? Here is what it looks like to be in our class. This is what it looks like, folks. Actually, it doesn't look like this because the recording doesn't exactly replicate it.
Reserve. You're not trying to convert it, so I don't know if you even have to use flash reserve. So it is inventory net. Average inventory is how much? 585.
I need to find...
I'll not bother to use the decimals.
Okay, I need to find him covering which questions? Which questions am I looking for? Of course I clicked off of it. So the only two questions I don't know what the heck is going on is question number 14 and also the last question. So
which one is retail? So I can actually...
He's going over the last question, but I'm going to go to question 14 first. Can you please?
14.81. Then in turnover ratio, answer was 6.23. So let's look at that. In the next question, you have to remember the question. Return on common equity and earnings per share.
We need to go over question 14.
Okay, I'm going back to 14, 61, 550.
Which question is this?
Okay. So
is he still on freaking question 13?
Let's take out. So it is a little bit more than, so it's 2388. I will make it 2389, just going in.
I don't know why the heck I put it as a percentage, but he randomly took off a point because of that for me.
1649, so it's a ratio. It's about 1.44.
You're still on the midterm draft, the Word document.
Okay. So it is...
Wait a minute. Did he skip over? Did the recording skips?
What was current ratio? And assets is...
Wait, was I also confused about something else?
388.
Was I confused about anything else for this question?
I just
Because wasn't there something that was like weird? Oh, I figured out what I messed up in number two. I messed up big time for number two. For number one, I got it right. Number two, I messed up. I know what I did wrong. So I just need to know about number three.
89 divided by 1649. I'm getting 144 something, 45 something. Okay, that will be about whatever it is. And quick ratio, take out from the let's take out prepaid these two numbers. So basically 338 and 92. You take out this from this 388 964 minus 92 511 minus 338. What is remaining is very liquid current assets. Basically, in the numerator, you are just counting these two 67 and 490. That's remaining. Divide by keep liabilities intact. So let's see.
Did you get the right answer?
And then switching. So
14.
14.
She got 54.36. And my answer was 57.2. Like when I recalculated a few minutes ago, I got 57. Does she explain how she did it? Wait, she got 50. Wait, hold on a second. Okay. I got 43.21, 59.3, 48.08. Where did she get 48 from? I got 45. She got 48. That's the difference. That's the issue here. That must be the problem. Where the heck did I get 45 from? Wait, that would wait, that must have been what I actually got in my calculations. Yeah, I got 45. Okay, days in payables, 365 times average payables divided by what? Cost of goods sold. Does she even show the calculation? Okay. Let me figure this out. Let's see if I did that wrong. So, average payables. We have this and this for both payables. Did I do average? 315 something. So yeah, that is the average of these two. 365 and then divided by. Does it have to be 365 or was that incorrect? Divide by 2. And you need to divide by cost of goods sold, which is 2.5 million. Where's cost of goods sold? Yeah, I don't know how the heck she got 48. Well, we'll figure it out here. Wait, he has it selected. Okay. What are the numbers that are incorrect? She has 338, 599 minus 487. What the heck is going on here? This divided by this. What? She did this plus this minus this divided by. What? This is the most confusing thing on earth. You know what? I'm literally going to. Did she get the right answer, though? It's possible she didn't. Well, we'll just see what he says.
I look, current ratio is correct, of course. You can see new share. So, current ratio is correctly done. Ratio should be less than this. Hopefully, it will be correct. He's taking just including the first two, including the liabilities 1566, which was supposed to be why you change the liabilities?
She got the right answer for that question
By the way,
for part 2.
oh, this is 2004. Ratio for 2005 is this number, okay, and percentage of increment 13.21. So I'll back to, I'll just post this mission hard to show you.
He never did post.
Why is it not the current assets minus the inventory for the quick ratio? Why is
Yeah,
it not?
also prepaid also.
I don't think he actually went over it.
Is your ability to pay off current
And he
liabilities.
never did post a solution, so too bad. Wait, I'll look in the announcements to see if he did, but I highly doubt it. Did I never start the timer? I'm stupid. Oh, never mind, I did. I'm like 99% sure he never posted the solution to that question. Because why would he do that? Yep, of course he didn't. Of course he didn't! But he did randomly select her solution, which I'm hoping is correct. I would assume is correct. So I'll go back to that and see if I can even make sense of it.
Is 7 and 49. It's remaining. Divide by, keep the liabilities intact. So let's see. Then switching.
It's randomly selected. That was so lucky. Okay. I don't even know why I'm bothering to take the time to do this, but I'm going to just figure out what I did wrong. Because I honestly have no idea what I did wrong for days payable outstanding. Like, I did the calculations again, and I got my answer 45, whereas she got 48.08, and I have no freaking clue why. And that seems to be the reason why I got it wrong. Other than the fact that I didn't have any freaking idea what I was doing. So, she has 365 divided by then she has double parentheses. So a bunch of crap is in parentheses. And then we have single parentheses divided by, wait, what? Another parenthetical expression, but there's two parentheses within it. So the entirety of the outside parentheses are, I think she's missing a parenthesis. Oh wait, no, she's not. Okay. There's a bunch of stuff in parentheses. So if you look at the next layer of parentheses, we have something divided by something. And the thing in the denominator also has another denominator. So there's literally like 3 levels of fractions going on right now. So first thing that we have the numerator. The numerator of the denominator of 365. Okay. So we have 254. So 2,000,000 542,000 353 plus 338,000. Dang it. 599 minus 487,505. Okay. And then you divide that by one more fraction, and that fraction is those two things divided by 2. So that must be an average of 2 years of something. So that's pretty obvious there. So 296,307 plus 334,000 247, and all that's divided by 2. Okay, so we have 4 levels. We have 365. Okay, so I just wrote the entire thing. My God, why are there so many fractions? So I'm going to identify what each individual component is. Okay, so the bottom fraction is the average something. So let me check. 296,307. So this is the average accounts payable. So this is the average accounts payable. Now, what is the top part? The top part is so weird because it has something plus something minus something. What the heck is going on there? Okay, so we have the top part is going to be 2.542 million. Okay, so where's that? 2.542. Where would that be located? Oh, here it is. Oh my God. This is the cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold. So we have CGS plus, what is 338,599? Inventories. Wait, what? What? Why is she subtracting this from this? What? So plus ending inventory. Okay. Oh, I think I get it. I guess I get it, but this is weird. You add ending inventory, and then you subtract beginning inventory. What? Okay, so she did the cost of goods sold plus the ending inventory minus the beginning inventory. And that equals... And guess what, folks? Guess freaking what? The stinking website tells you not to use... Because what does that equal? You know what that equals? Where did she find this stuff anyway? Where did she find it? I think what she found was the accounts payable turnover. So here's the thing. Days in payables. If you look up days in payables, it doesn't tell you to do cost of goods sold plus ending inventory minus beginning inventory. It tells you to do cost of goods sold by itself. Watch this. It doesn't tell you to do that other thing. I forgot what the other thing is. If you look at this website, it says to use... What is the number of days? It literally says... Wait, hold on a second. Okay, cost of goods sold is equal to beginning inventory plus purchases minus ending inventory. Guess freaking what? She used cost of goods sold, not purchases. So that has to be wrong. Look. Cost of goods sold is 2.542 million, right? There's no way that's right, but apparently that ends up giving you the answer 54.36 if you use that number that she used. What the actual crap? So if you look at this is cost of goods sold. And then she added ending inventory and subtracted beginning inventory, but that's not how it works. That's not how it works. He gave you cost of goods sold. He didn't give you purchases, he gave you cost of goods sold, so that can't be right. But somehow, that is how you get the answer? That doesn't make any sense. Okay, if you do this whole freaking long calculation, you get 48.08, right? 48.08. So if you do 43.21 plus 59.3 minus 48.08, you end up with 54.43. And then she just selected A. So she didn't actually get this exact answer. She got something close to this answer. But there's no way this is even right. The right answer should be the way I did it. It still should be the way I did it. I don't understand why my answer is not even listed. So that was a massive waste of my time. I just wasted like 30 minutes of my life. Okay. Okay, let's go to the last question.
You can take the days to cash. So out of the 74 days, customer took, your supplier took care of 38 days. But you see this? These are the firms. A.
Okay. This is all I need.
B.
These three statements here.
C. Cash. Percentage of amount of investment. Cash on hand.
Please scroll down so it's nicer. No. Oh, never mind. You just did. Okay, here's the answer. Firm A is a retailing firm. Okay, let's just copy. Let's just take a stinging picture of that. I don't freaking care. And once I got this, well, he still hasn't opened up the exam, has he? Well, I'll see if he did after I finish this. I'm almost done with part 2 of the exam. But if I'm... Actually, there's like another couple of quizzes I have to study, I think. But it's going to be too hard to read if I do it like this. This is all I need to know. Alright, save... How to tell which type of firm. Nice. Okay. So let's see here. is. Yay! Nice. I love bad quality. Firm A is the retailing firm due to the heavy investment in receivables. Of course, if you have a heavy investment in receivables, that means you're a retailing firm. And inventory with limited, so they have heavy investment in inventory, heavy investment in receivables, limited fixed assets. The store facilities may be rented. Heavy investment in receivables, heavy investment in inventory, limited fixed assets. The store facilities may be rented. Firm B is the service firm due to limited inventory. Firm C is manufacturing firm due to the combined heavy investment in inventory and fixed assets. It has a combined heavy investment in inventory and fixed assets. It uses substantial long-term debt. Of course. Freaking cool. Retail. Heavy investment in receivables and inventory. Limited fixed assets. Store facilities may be rented. Service firm. Limited inventory. Manufacturing firm. Heavy investment in inventory and fixed assets. Uses substantial long-term debt. That's all I need to know. I don't know how I'm supposed to figure that out, but whatever. Also, did he go over part 1? I think he did. Yeah, he did go over part 1. I could study the lecture, but I don't want to. I'm going to wait for him to post the results and use it just in case I don't know what the answer is to something. Okay, let's just check to see if he actually did open it. I highly doubt it, but we'll see. Nope, still hasn't opened it yet. Okay, so we'll go over whatever other quizzes are left. So what are the other quizzes left over? There's only one more quiz, and it's quiz 5, and I think I looked at it. Or did I? I submitted quiz chapter 8. Didn't I just recently look at that? Hold on a sec. Why didn't I go over question 16 of the midterm exam? Was it very self-explanatory or something? Is that why I didn't go over it? Like 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, I'm stupid. I literally just... Hurry up. How much time left? Basically until 11:15, right? Yeah, we have a bit of time. Was this one easy? Yeah, this was just do a bunch of ratios. Was I confused about any ratios? I hope he did not hear that. But if he did, that's hilarious. Okay, he didn't even grade this yet. Of course he didn't grade it, but they're just ratios. It's not that hard. Discuss the trend in profitability and identify specific causes for the trend. Well, I'm just hoping he grades it and determines whether or not this is a good answer. But anyways, I don't need to study that. No, stop. So what are we studying then? We're studying... Oh, I think that's it. We're done. All we have left is to study the midterm exam. And then we're going to study the business valuation thingy. Okay, fine. I've been putting this off. But I will study the freaking fraud evaluation. Or fraud, whatever it is, thingy. Which is this one. Pretty sure that's it. If I go to announcements. Broad case 1 was this, yes. Start time today. Updates. PowerPoint. Yeah, there's no other resources. Really sucks. Okay. So basically... Oh, come on. Wait, he didn't include the solution? I thought the solution was just automatically included. You've got to be joking. Are you freaking serious? Okay, well, he did go over it, so I will have to look at the lecture to see his solution. So what day did we discuss that? Should be... It was either August 4th or August 5th. Which day? I believe it was August 4th. Yeah. August 4th. Zoom meeting. That was 6 days. That was almost a week ago. That was last Wednesday, I guess. Oh, okay. Let's go to where it was.
No, always.
Where is it? Where is it? Case 10-1. We were still talking about chapter 10 back then? Okay.
Expenditures.
Here it is. Found it.
Can't cover.
Did you show this one? Aha! Got it. Unfortunately, it's so hard to see it. God. Alright. I wish I could do a snapshot of it, but I don't think I can because it's going to be terrible quality. Like, I wish I could have it full screen. I don't want to write all that stuff down. Oh. Wait, what? Why are there two columns? Is that the solution? Is that the whole solution right there? I think that is the whole solution. Hold on. Did he just copy and paste something or what? No, I think he wrote it down manually.
Increase to 49. Because 439 to 50 is how much? Plus this.
Wait, watch this. Is he going to copy and paste
What's showing
everything?
right now?
71,000. So he's missing 132,650.
He is missing this 152 550.
Wow.
Well, incidentally, I think that's the solution I have. So
That is it, right there. Alright, question. Can I somehow use snipping tool when it's in full screen? Actually, I bet I could just search that online, like... you could choose a different type of snip, a full screen snip. So you could do like if you hold down Shift and if you hold down Shift and then press Alt plus N, okay, is that gonna work? If I'm off screen. So if I'm like this, will this work? Nope. Alt plus M. Alt. Wait, was it? I have selected rectangular snip. The heck? Oh, I didn't know you could select a window. So that's how you do a live split snip without having to draw the window yourself. That's nice to know. What the heck? What? Hello? It says hold down Shift and use arrow keys. Wait, what? What? Why does it say use the arrow key? Hold down Shift and press the arrow keys. That makes no sense. Hello? Wait, so do you have to do Alt M first? What if I want rectangular snip? Enter. Shift. Nope. Escape. So what if I have this open and I would like to do it like this? Alt M. Screw that bullcrap. Okay. Hate my life. How about if the only way I can think of to do it now is to use the full screen snip? Or the Windows snip, I guess. But let me just see. There was like a post that said something. Hello? Screw you. Screw this bullcrap. You can't even look at this unless you have a stinking... Okay, can you please tell me? It says the print screen key from your keyboard. Well, that's bullcrap. On-screen keyboard. Why the heck do you do that? Print screen? Well, this is weird, but the only way I can think of to get that is I just wasted my entire life. I could have just written it down in this amount of time. But like the only way to do it is to push print screen. And I think I do have a print screen option, so let's try that.
That better have worked. Or maybe I have to do function print screen. So let's try this. Okay, actually, never mind. Copy. Paste. I just didn't want to have like something sensitive. Okay, let's try it again. Did that work? It did work. Nice. All right. Okay. Now, save image. Save image. How do you save as picture? Okay. Solution to fraud. This is the solution to fraud. Oh man, watch it be bad quality and this was all a waste of time. But we'll see if it worked. If it worked, I'm gonna edit it so it only includes the part I want. Can you please hurry up and open it? God, why is it taking forever? Please open. Please. Please open it. God, why is it taking forever? Okay. Of course it's bad. Hello? Wait, maybe it wouldn't be any better than doing this. No, it should be better than this. Like if I have this like this, and then I have it at the same basic size. No, it's bad quality. Why is it bad quality? It shouldn't be bad quality. Why is it bad quality? This is wasting my life. Come on, man. Why does everything have to be more difficult? That means I have to write it down manually. That's the only other way I can do it. Dang it. Okay. Well, this is fun. Time for fun. Oh. Increase in net worth. Increase attributed. To net worth. And then income from unknown sources. All right. And this is for separate years. How many years are there? We have year 1, 2, and 3. That's the missing information. Year 1, 2, 3. So we have year 1, year 2, year 3. Okay. Net worth, we have 123,500. Year 2, 249. For 250. Year 3, 352. 900. Everything is everything. Now we have increase in net worth. For year 2, it's 125,750. Year 3, 103,650. Oh my god. Dude, my pen. Stop. No, no, I'm not going to lose my pen. Ink. Stop. No. Increase attributable to net worth. Increase attributed to net worth. Wait, what? There's 2 columns of that one? No. I screwed up. Okay, 66,200. And then 71,100. And then 59,550. And then 32,550. And then finally, we have income from unknown sources, 169, 550, and then 152, 550. All right, I finally copied it down. Finally, jeez. All right. Now all we have to do is study this and make sure we know what the heck this means. Okay? So we have, like, basically what we're assuming, we're making an assumption here. We're making the assumption that the liabilities and expenditure, the liabilities, okay, so wait, what about total assets? Oh, I'm stupid. We're making the assumption that the assets and liabilities sections are completely accurate. So, calculate the increase in his net worth and the unexplained sources of income. So what we have here is we have basically the balance sheet, and then we have basically the income statement. And what we're assuming is that the balance sheet is correct and the income statement is wrong. Like, the only thing we're assuming is that the only thing that's wrong about this financial statement is the salary. Or no, what the only thing wrong about this financial statement is the total income, because it's missing something. It's missing income. Like, there should be an extra thing for more unexplained sources of income, or the salary should be higher, or whatever. That's the only thing we're assuming. So what we have to do is calculate the increase in his net worth. So what you do is to find the net worth for all 3 years, you do this minus this, this minus this, and this minus this. So easy. So 213,500 minus 90,000, 123,500, and then 439,250 minus 190,000, 249,250, 352. Whoops, sorry. 442,900 minus 90,000. Okay, that's very straightforward. What's the increase in net worth? So it says, calculate the increase in his net worth. So what's the increase in his net worth? I'm going to just figure it out myself. It's very easy. All you do is the year 2 minus year 1, and then year 3 minus year 2. That's intuitive, right? 249, 250 minus 123,500 should equal, yep, and then 352,900 minus 249,250 is 103,650. So that's the increase in net worth. Then what do? Then what you do is the increase attributed to net worth. So actually, the 66, 271, 100 are the increase attributed to net worth. Oh, wait. Wait just a second. I'm confused. So I get this part. Here's the part that I understand. His net worth increased by 66,200 based on the income. Where do you get 59,550 from? He did the increase in net worth minus the increase attributed to net worth to get that number. And then what did he do? Where did he get 169,550? What? How? Wait, where did he get 169,550, 152,550? That's the thing I don't know. Wait, hold on a sec. Why did he write 32,552? I hate my life. Now I have to go back. That must have been a mistake, right? He didn't mean to write 552. He meant to write 550. That must have been his mistake. But anyways, where the heck did he get 152,550? I am so confused. Because wouldn't the 59,550 be the income from unknown sources? Come on. Now I have to watch the freaking video again. Oh, it's right here, moron. Man. He probably way over explains it.
So, to give a speech on fraud, I'm just showing financial statement, some basic numbers from an applicant applying for. So what some of the things that you think are problematic, and the applicant owes an explanation. Something is not right. So
Am I just an idiot because of the expenditures? Wait. I think he just added the total expenditures to this number and added total expenditures to this number, and that's how I got the answer. Okay, never mind. I don't even need to watch it then. That's funny. Okay, here's the thing. His increase attributed to net worth. His net worth increased by this much, but he only attributed his increase to net worth to be 66,200. So that's 59,000 unaccounted for, and if you add the expenditures, that's the total income unaccounted for. So he reported this much, and he also reported this much expenditures. Okay, so wouldn't the increase attributed to net worth actually just be a negative number? It's kind of weird how he does it. I think I want to think of it like this. So instead of saying his increase in net worth was attributed to net worth was this, it doesn't make sense to just include income. Shouldn't you also include expenditures? If you include both income and expenditures, that would equal the net change in net worth. The change in net worth that he attributed to himself or something. The change attributed to net worth should be the income minus the expenditures, right? And since people don't have stocks, that people don't issue stocks, that means that their net worth is just equal to their net income, right? Like their net income would be their total income minus their total expenditures. I don't even know how people do it, but basically, if the change in net worth should be 66,200 minus 110,000, and then you do 125,750. But in fact, the number that he actually increased it by was this. But so basically, the second number minus the first number is the difference. So yeah, I understand how to do it. Like the reason I was confused is because I didn't take into account expenditures. So I understand. So blah blah blah. Okay. Did he post? Well, first of all, I didn't post the announcement. Right? He has not posted an announcement yet. Has he opened the exam yet? He said he was going to do it before noon. Watch as he does not do it before noon. Oh yeah, one time I asked him to open up quizzes. He never even opened up all the quizzes. He said, I'm going to do it before noon. Well, you only have about 50 minutes left. 48 minutes left. What else am I going to do while I'm waiting? Study the ratios? Gosh dang it. Man, I don't feel like studying the ratios. Like, what else am I going to study besides just the ratios? Because there's more stuff than just that, right? Are we going to have, like, LIFO and FIFO questions? Because I got so confused by that on the midterm exam, part 1. I got so confused by the LIFO and FIFO questions. Oh. I'm getting freaking tired of studying this stuff. Oh, look at that. It's almost 2 hours and 30 minutes. So, like, there's a giant page of ratios here. Do I just have to memorize all this? What a freaking joke. Look at this textbook. Like, can they really seriously think that this is a thing that they can do? Just come up with your own name. Okay, I guess maybe not. But if there's no name for it, then why the crap would you even list it? The formula for operating cash flow divided by current maturities of long-term debt and current notes payable is as follows. Operating cash flow divided by current maturities of long-term debt and current notes payable. What a freaking joke, dude. Like, how can you make a test question out of this? Calculate the operating cash flow divided by current maturities of long-term debt and current notes payable. I guess basically what they would do is they give you a cash flow statement and you have to look for the numbers. But man, that's just dumb. But here's the issue with that one. The difficult thing about that one is what the heck do they mean by current maturities of long-term debt and current notes payable? Guess what? They don't explain it because they're stupid. That's the most important thing, dude. The textbook, you're idiotic. Explain what you mean by current maturities of long-term debt and current notes payable. Why am I even doing this? Does it list all of the ratios here? It better list them all. It better list them all. So it lists the cash flow ratio there in liquidity. And then what about the other cash flow ratio? It has operating cash flow divided by total debt. And then we have wait, what were all the cash flow ratios anyways? Operating cash flow per share. I guess that would be listed in the investing thingy. And then the operating cash flow divided by cash dividends. Do they list both of those at the end? They list them. Yep. All of them are listed. All of those ones are listed. There's 4 of them, and 3 of the 4 the name of the ratio is just the ratio itself. Chapter 11 and 12, I would assume, do not have ratios. And yeah. Oh wait, no, they do because actually, yeah, there's banks, regulated utilities, and transportation, and we did not go over that stuff, so we don't need to look at that. So honestly, the entirety of the ratios would just be the stuff that's listed at the beginning of the end of the book. I don't know why they have it at the beginning and the end of the book, like at both ends of the book. It's so weird. Whatever. Stop saying whatever. So those ratios, and then there's more stuff to do besides just memorize ratios, right? Do I have to memorize how to create a cash flow statement? Oh, man. Okay, what am I going to do? Basically, what I want to do with the list of ratios is... honestly, what I want to do is, for my study guide for this test, I want to actually have a physical piece of paper to study. So... But I don't feel like carrying around this textbook, so I guess I'll photocopy these pieces of paper. Oh my god. It's so weird. Let's see if he opened it. But actually, I think I'll take a tiny break. I don't know if just so I can restart OBS. I think what I should do. Maybe just do a vlog.